Welcome back to Muscle Car Central's YouTube channel. I'm Ben Tucker with Camaro and Firebird Central, and today I've got Chris Compton from Distinctive Industries. Distinctive Industries was gracious enough to give us their Touring 2 67 low back. You can put a headrest in them, but I'm pretty sure we're going to keep them low back. Interior, you know, the seats, door panels, headliners, sun visors. Am I missing something? Because you pretty much sent a whole skid of fine product.
I think you've pretty well covered everything. We did front back seat, front rear door panels, sun visors, headliner, and sail panels.
Ooh.
And they will look beautiful in the car once they're installed.
Man, well, we're going to have a great time installing it. We're excited. Once it gets done, I'll shoot you a video of it, and thank you again.
You're very welcome, Ben. Thank you. We're proud to be a part of this.
Thank you.